The Italian language presents to the students very complex challenges, but I will tell you how to fight against these difficulties. Italian language has a different structure from English language. Don't try to think in your own language to speak Italian. The process of translating from your language to Italian will make you lose time. First of all, speak and write without being afraid of making mistakes. You don't need to know every vocabulary to speak Italian. Be curious, wonder to yourself questions about anything. Have fun while you learn Italian. Here we are with the presentation. This is a situation that happens when you meet someone that you meet for the first time. We have a girl and a boy. The boy says, "Ciao, io sono Franco. Come ti chiami?" In English, "Hello, I'm Franco. What's your name?" The girl answers saying, "Ciao Franco, io mi chiamo Lucia." In English, "Hello Franco, my name is Lucia." Here, the boy says, "Piacere di conoscerti." It means, "Nice to meet you." The girl answers saying, "Piacere mio." It means, "Nice to meet you too," but piacere mio is the common way that Italians say, "Nice to meet you." Here, the boy asks, "How are you?" "Come stai?" The girl answers, "Sto bene, grazie. E tu?" The boy answers, "Sto bene anche io, grazie." Come stai is a common way to say, "How are you?" Sto bene, grazie. I'm fine, thanks. And you? I'm fine too, thanks. Sto bene anch'io, grazie. Here the boy asks, "Da dove vieni?" Da dove vieni? Where do you come from? The girl answers, "Vengo dalla Spagna. E tu?" In English it means, "I come from Spain. And you?" The boy answers saying, "Io vengo dall'Italia. Sono italiano." "I come from Italy. I'm Italian." She says, "L'Italia è molto bella." It means, Italy is very beautiful. The boy asks the age, saying, "Quanti anni hai?" How old are you? The girl answers, "Io ho 23 anni. E tu?" "I'm 23 years old. And you?" And the boy says, "Io ho 26 anni. I'm 26 years old." Here we are with the alphabet. It's very important to know how you have to pronounce each letter. We have vowels and consonants, vocali e consonanti. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. This is the complete alphabet that we have in Italy. We don't use the letters Y, X, J, and W. Here we are with to be verb, verbo essere. Io, it means I, it's the first person singular. Tu is the second person singular. Lui, the third person male. Lei, still the third person but female. Noi, the first person plural. Voi is the second person plural. Loro, the third person plural. Repeat after me. Io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. Here we have a more complete to be verb. I am, io sono. Tu sei, you are. Lui è, he is. Lei è, she is. Noi siamo, we are. Voi siete, you are. Loro sono, they are. Repeat after me. Io sono. Tu sei. Lui è. Lei è. Noi siamo. Voi siete. Loro sono. Good. Here we have the greetings. This is very important to know when you meet someone and also when you leave. We have formal and informal way to say hello. The formal way when you meet someone is salve, salve. The informal way to say when you meet someone is ciao, ciao. Buongiorno. This is when you say in the morning, good morning. Buon pomeriggio. This is what you say during the afternoon. Buonasera. This is what you say in the evening. Good evening. Buonanotte. This is what you say when you go to sleep. When you leave, there are other ways to say goodbye. In the formal way, we say arrivederla. In the informal way, we say arrivederci. We can say a dopo. It means see you later. A più tardi. See you later. It means in the same day that you will meet someone and you say a più tardi. A presto. See you soon when you wish to see this person very soon. A domani. See you tomorrow. I hope you like this. I hope it was clear and easy to understand. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you soon. A presto.